OnePlus 8T India price leaked a day before its official launch. The OnePlus 8T has leaked extensively over the past couple of months, and we know almost everything about the upcoming flagship. Following a price leak from Amazon, Germany's listing, we now have what is allegedly the price of the OnePlus 8T in India. The Indian pricing of the OnePlus 8T was shared by tipster Ishan Agarwal on Twitter. As per his sources, the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant of OnePlus 8T will be priced at 42,999 rupees. The higher-end 12GB plus 256GB variant, on the other hand, will arrive at 45,999 rupees in India. In the same tweet, Agarwal says that the device will go on sale from the 17th of October during the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. To recall the alleged specifications, the OnePlus 8T will feature a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, OnePlus has used Snapdragon 865 SoC instead of the newer Snapdragon 865 Plus. You get up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. As far as the cameras are concerned, the company is said to have used an L-shaped quad rear camera setup with a primary 48MP Sony IMX586 lens, a 16MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP macro camera, and a 2MP monochrome sensor. For selfies, OnePlus may rely on a 16MP Sony IMX471 camera. As you would expect, the device will run on the latest Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. In terms of charging speeds, the handset will offer 65W warp charging that should swiftly charge the 4,500 mAh battery. If the rumored pricing is anything to go by, the OnePlus 8T will be a solid offering in the country and will compete against the likes of the newly launched Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. What are your thoughts on this pricing? Let us know in the comments.